Hey friends, quick video today, but I wanted to pop in and share something that I think you might be interested in. Have you been looking for a Stamparatus? If you're not familiar with what the Stamparatus is, it's an amazing stamping platform that was taken off the market several months back. I had shared a video when I found out it was retiring, sharing a lot of the ways this one is better than any of the other ones out there. And later on, I shared that I had some available, and I sold almost all of those to some of you who contacted me. If you contacted me and you didn't hear back, I apologize. I had so many requests that I just was not able to get back to everyone. But I do still have a few on hand. I had kept a few in case I had made any mistakes with my orders, that I would still have some on hand to fix whatever mistakes I had made. But it's been long enough. I have decided it's time to get these out to some of you who can use them in your crafting. So I have 5 of them available. And the way I am going to make these available, I'm going to offer 3 for sale, basically for what the cost was. And then the other 2 I'm going to give away just as a giveaway to my followers. So to some of you, to 2 of you. And the way I'm going to do that is through my email list. So if you are not on it and you're interested, here is where you can get the details. Here's where you can sign up. At the end of this month, I'm going to send out the details. Please, I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about like when this is happening and how it's happening. Around the end of this month, the details will come in one of my newsletters. So sign up here. I know the vast majority of those of you who have these absolutely love them, agree with me. It's the best one out there. And this way we can get a few more of them into some of your hands. Thanks so much for subscribing, for watching along with my videos. I appreciate your support. Hope you have a blessed day.